Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is pre-market update. We had FOMC day yesterday and what a pump from neutral line to the sell line, nice 1% pump, and our cycle analysis was predicting this. I was telling you follow focus on this yellow cycle. We're making a bottom. We made a bottom on Friday and now we are going through rising phase and we're going through new all-time highs. So congratulations who took this trade, and if you like the content, please hit the like button. Only takes you 1 second to hit the like. Hit the thumbs up button, share this channel with friends and family. All the content is free and help this channel grow. All right, so we'll go through all the major indices, Nasdaq, S&P 500. We'll go through crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll go through commodities, gold, silver, oil, natural gas, and at the end we'll wrap up with big FANG stocks. All right. So those who are new, the way I do it is there are two charts here. Left side is only for day trading, today's trade. Red lines are resistance, green lines are support lines. So you would like to take profits on resistance or sell in resistance area. But that's where S&P 500 is right now, and you would like to buy near buy zone, which is green line. Okay, so right now it's near resistance, so I'm expecting some downwards move. So you can see right now it's near second standard deviation. The best shot is between second and third line, and right now it's getting very close to the second line and now it's dumping. So the level here is 53.15 and 52.99. So I think I'm expecting a little bit downwards pressure. I think as it should be up pre-market. If I look at SPY, this is SPY, it's up pre-market. So there's going to be a gap. You can see here, if I zoom down a bit, you can see here there's a gap up. So I think it's going to come back down to fill this gap and then bounce. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on in the morning session. Let's go back to this 1 minute chart. So it's good to at the open, good to short for quick profit. Same day option expiry you can buy if you want to take that risk. It's up to you. And let's go back to SPX cycle study here. Focus on this yellow cycle, and that's what I was expecting, a bounce. So you can see here, I was telling you this cycle should end here. Friday was the bottom. If you watched my video yesterday, I said it could be a couple of days here and there. So looks like we did make a bottom. Now we're going high. We made a new all-time high. Now looks like we're in this rising phase. Focus on this yellow cycle. We're in rising phase. So this rising phase ends 10th of April. So I think we're gonna get this pump until next couple of weeks, and it's gonna be very bullish April in my opinion, and then we'll get another dump later on. But for now, let's expect this massive move going higher. All right. So that's what's going on. So keep that in mind, and let's go to Nasdaq now. Here you go, MNQ chart. Let me bring in moving averages. And that's where it's going to be a bit better. So you can see Nasdaq is also in the sell zone right now. The levels right now it's near 18659, already new all-time high. I think micro earnings was really good, so it's pumping because of that. Now it's still near resistance, okay? So I'm expecting a little bit of drop because even like S&P 500, triple Qs, SPY, you can see triple Q is also on a gap up around 488. So I'm expecting the market open to drop, fill this gap, and then bounce. All right. So if it drops from where it is right now to fill the gap, it's going to be around 1% down. You can see almost 0.98% higher. So look for a little bit downward pressure and then go higher. Okay, so good option to short at the market open for some weakness and then it can bounce later on. Okay, at minimum, I think it can come to neutral zone of around 18471. All right, let's look at Dow Jones, how it is doing. US 30, also new highs. Again, same thing in the sell zone. You can always pause this video and take a screenshot of the zones for today if you want, or you can join my Discord channel. The link is in the description of this video. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I share a screenshot of these zones every few hours so you can make a right decision. And there's also free Discord channel if you want to join. I just share Bitcoin there. All right. So, all right. So Russell 2000 is also in the sell zone right now. Let's look at gold. Commodities. Commodities new high after Fed. You can see I was saying it's frag and going higher. So you can see it can actually gold can go way higher because if this is going to be a flag pattern, then you can see from here to here, you can draw a distance from here. A breakout from here can take gold to around 2314. Okay, I think that's where gold is heading, 2314. So let's see how that thing works out. But for short term, it is in the sell zone, so look for a little bit of weakness. It's not going to go straight higher. Right now near sell zone, so buy zone is above 2170. Silver, same thing. Silver a little bit weaker, going to neutral zone. Look to buy below $25. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on silver. Crude oil, crude oil is a little bit weaker. 7 count sell signal in the buy zone. All right, so you can see 80.799. Look to buy around here. Crude oil should bounce from here. Natural gas flat. Couple of gaps here. So one gap is around 1.77, second gap is around 1.698. So coming closer to buy zone, look to buy around 1.77 for today. If it drops further, 1.698, that's going to be nice entry here. Even on the daily chart, you can see, follow my cursor, going towards buy zone here. All right. Bitcoin, crypto massive pump. And I was telling everybody yesterday that it's in the buy zone. You can see it was in the buy zone here. Nice pump from the buy zone on crypto. You can see nice profits here, 12% profit. That's amazing. And right now you can see came down, found some support, and now bouncing. All right. Still trying to close above this white line, which is 20 moving average. If it does that, then that's going to be good. Short term for today's trade, near sell zone. All right, so look to buy below 664,179 right now near resistance. So look to sell above 67,852. Ethereum, let's look at Ethereum. Also found support, 7 count SPY signal near sell zone. Same thing, touched buy zone and then bounce yesterday. Nice bounce from here to the buy zone, around 13% pump. So right now near resistance, exactly where it is right now, 35.45. Look to buy below 33.31. All right. Hang Seng Index, China. Let's see China, how it is doing. Nice after it broke out of this white line. Okay, lower highs broke out, back tested, now going higher, higher lows. So nice, making a new trend now. You can see higher high, higher low. Looks like it wants to go higher. Short term, in the middle, we don't do anything in the middle. Wait for it to go above 16886 to short, or look to buy below 16558. All right. Let's keep moving. Let's look at commodities real quick. So copper is near neutral zone. Look to buy below 4.06. Palladium is also in the neutral zone. Look to buy below 989. Soybeans. Soybeans is in the sell zone. Look to buy below 1198. Looks like it's going to get some weakness here. Sugar is bouncing from the buy zone yesterday. Nice bounce. Now only going to a sell zone. So look to sell around 22.5 to if you bought sugar. Wheat is near sell zone. Look to buy below 529. And corn is also in the sell zone. Okay. Look to buy below 438.86. All right, let's quickly look at big stocks. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is pumping pre-market 1% up near sell zone. There's a gap here. You can see if I zoom in right side on the daily chart, there's a gap 177 opening right there. But I think it's going to be go gap up and then it can come down to fill this gap and then bounce. So first target, which is already 177 met. Now next target is 188, 194, 202. So all these yellow lines are the gaps to fill. There's a lot of potential on Tesla. Okay, new lows with higher momentum on RSI. RSI making higher low, PPO making higher low. Green line is about to cross a red line, so a bullish pressure is coming. But short term, looks like they could get a little bit weakness. Once it fills this gap, then it could come to a neutral line and then bounce. UNH, biggest healthcare sector, near sell zone. NVDA pumping after Micron earnings was, I think, in the buy zone a couple of days ago. That was, you can see touch buy zone on Tuesday, and then still that after that pumping near the sell zone. Again, gap up, opening. All these are opening on a gap up, so expecting some weakness. Apple is little weaker. There's some news on somebody else suing it. But again, you can see there's a gap here. The target is around 179.42. That gap will, for some reason, if Apple dumps, that will bring market down. Now there's another bottom gap around 172. So if Apple dumps around 172, look to buy there, and then it can bounce. All right. And let's see other good stocks here. Google. Let's look at Google here. Here you go. Google near sell zone. Not interested here. Netflix also should be near sell zone. It is. Amazon. All these stocks are pumping near sell zone. Just wanted to quickly show you. Meta also near sell zone. Microsoft. Nice pump, also near in the sell zone. And Snowflake still has a lot to go. Green line is about to cross red line, a lot of upside potential. All these yellow lines are the gaps to fill. And AVGO also in the sell zone after this Micron earnings. Everything is pumping. AMD is a little bit weaker, but still it's going to go multiple gaps to the top side. And Micron, unbelievable moves. I can't even show you in my screen here. See here, opening on here, okay? Micron MU, here you go. As you can see, nice pump, 17% up. That's going to bring this market higher. Okay, guys, let's quickly wrap up with VIX. Let's see VIX how it is doing. Actually, I have to delete this. VIX is broke this resistance. I mean support area. Fill this gap, 12.96. So make a new low. Trying to make a new low. All right. So we can get rid of this trend line, and VIX is going lower, which is bullish for the market. Okay, so VIX wants to go lower, coming near some support. Let's see how the day goes. Maybe it will find some support later this week, but for now looks like VIX is crushing down because it's a new bull market, so it can still go lower. All right. Okay, guys, if you like the content, hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.